Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to do the Mortlach 16. First things first, we have to address this bottle. This is coming straight out of a Dallas TV show, I guess.
You seem mighty happy with yourself tonight, JR. You managed to evict some widows today?
You keep drinking like that, you're going to be evicted onto a trash heap, dear.
A J.R. Ewing special. Actually, not to be mixed with J.R. Ewing bourbon. It's not it. I think it's a terrible bottle. There's like a Marlboro logo down here. I don't know where this is coming from. It's a little bit off character for Scotland. But anyway, let's check it out. They call this the Beast of Dufftown. Let's see what's what. This is 43% alcohol, so it's easy on the nose. It's a sherry cask, so you can feel the sherry, the influence there, the dry fruits, like some plum, some caramel. Actually, it smells quite nice. It doesn't smell what it looks like, surprising. It's the first time I have this bottle, so this is a new experiment for me as much as it will be for you. It's not bad. It's actually quite good, surprisingly. I really had this image in my mind because of the bottle. I think I paid $60 for this. I think it's pretty darn good. There's like a toffee and caramel in it. It's nice. There's a little bit of black pepper in the back there, but nothing to rip your mouth out. So just to remind you, hey, still a whiskey here. And usually Dufftown whiskeys or Campbellton whiskeys, a little bit more peppery, cayenne pepper and stuff like that. But like I said, easy drink. Surprisingly good. Can feel the oak. Good oak. It has pretty darn good legs, actually. It's kind of dry, but not excessively. I think this bottle is it's kind of a little bit dangerous because I think if I had like a few friends here, like 2 or 3 friends here, we could go through that bottle in a few hours and we wouldn't know. It's a very easy drink. Now, is it as good as an Aberlour 16? I think they're different products, actually. I don't think they even fit in the same category. Is it as good as a Balvenie 16 triple cask? Again, I don't think they really fit in the same category. Yeah, the Aberlour is more sherried. It's more like caramel toffee. It's more of a full body. I think this is about a half body. Actually, it's sticking pretty good. The legs are they're not bad. It's kind of nice. I would talk to you about the color, but this has been colored, of course, because it's 43% only. Some people complain that the alcohol level is not high enough, but I reckon I'm a cask strength drinker. So it's not, I drink things that are like 46 all the way to 60 is what I enjoy, because for my exploration of whiskey, I want to go different routes, and alcohol opens more flavor and different, you can taste the barrels better. It's more like raw. It's like whiskey, it's not being diluted. I understand that, but you got to remember, I think this is more aimed for the casual drinker or the after work drinker. It's not meant to be an exploration. If everything was an exploration, then we wouldn't have big brands because everybody would focus on one thing. I think this is a very nice gift bottle, like if you're your dad or something like that. It's also a very nice re-giftable bottle if somebody gave it to you. Maybe it's not your thing. I think you can re-gift it. The bottle, though, it looks like a huge vat of cheap perfume. I don't know what they're doing out there. I think they want to be like special or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, there's a lot of there's plum in there. Like the plum taste is quite there. Listen, poker game, easy to drink. Wedding. The bottle's too terrible to put on a table, to be honest with you. If I had this bottle on the table at my wedding, I'd go like, I need to call the planner, the organizer. Easy access for newbies, for sure. It's not very complex. It's well made, like all the flavors, they blend well together, but it's not very complex. You're not asking too many questions. It's more of a bottle that I was gonna say you put in a decanter and you pour, but actually this looks like a decanter, so there you go. But my meaning is you just pour and drink, and you're gonna be fine with this. I see no problem with this bottle. It's non-offensive. Yeah, we'll try the 12 another time, but I'm curious to see where this came from because I'm actually shocked and surprised how good this is. I mean, for 60 bucks, it's a 16-year. Would I pay 60 bucks for this? Well, I did because I bought the bottle, but I mean, like as a daily drinker, I'm not sure. However, like we're in my restaurant here, one of my restaurants, would I serve this to a customer without any issues? Yeah, I would. After a meal, right, you had a good burger, you have a glass of this, I think you're gonna be fine. Yeah, so basically, I'd rate this bottle like an 85 out of 100. I think, you know, if they had a better packaging, I'd give them 5 more points. Like it's terrible. Actually, I'll make a video one day of the worst Scotch bottle or whiskey bottles in the world. It's very subjective, but I stand by my choice. So anyway, that's that for today. If you have any questions about this bottle or any other bottles, I have tons of them. So give me a shout in the comment section. Otherwise, see you later.